Baan mo sa eh. Anyway, I'm Alan Tiamco, my wife Leah. So our love affair with Max started 3 weeks ago, going 4 weeks. I suffered acute myocardial infarction 3 years ago. And then that was the first heart attack. The second heart attack was July of last year. And then mild stroke November of last year. So katong second and mild stroke that happened last year of November of last year, caused by kanang wala na ako pag-follow sa pag-inom sa akong maintenance. Here is my maintenance, gandala ko yun siya. Nadini ang losartan, nadini ang tricidine, carbidilol, moni siya ako yung maintenance. If I won't be able to take my maintenance for 3 days,